Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel for one last time tonight. We're just going to let the Pennsylvania and the Ohio residents know that the tornado watch for Ohio, all of Ohio and Pennsylvania counties tonight has been canceled. So that's good news to report. It was supposed to be a tornado watch in effect for all of Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 12 o'clock this evening. But the National Weather Service of Cleveland saying they're just going to cancel that tornado watch tonight. So that's some good news to report. They just canceled it about 20 to 30 minutes ago as the storms are passing us today. So let's go ahead. So we're gonna remind everyone before I read the weather for tonight and tomorrow. Remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channels page on YouTube and Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. So, because we need to get to 50 subscribers on that regular channel so we can do some live here. So here's the forecast for, and also subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Experts. We got 271 subscribers on there, and we got almost over 3,600 videos on YouTube to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. Let's take a look. Let's review the forecast for tonight and tomorrow, and then we gotta stop for today. They're saying tonight, cloudy skies, low 51, winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Thursday, cloudy skies, slight chance of a rain shower, high 64, west winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and Thursday night, partly cloudy skies, low 51, southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's the forecast for Meadville tonight. Tonight for Meadville, they're saying showers. Oh, no, not anymore. Tonight, overcast, low 53, winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. But before it popped off, they were saying tonight, they were saying showers and perhaps a thunderstorm early, then cloudy skies after midnight, and then the screen moved into overcast, low 53, 5 to 10 miles per hour, west-southwest winds it is. For Thursday, cloudy skies early, followed by partial clearing, high 66, a slight chance of a rain shower, high 66, west winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and Thursday night, partly cloudy early, then cloudy skies overnight, low 54, winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's the forecast for Greenville tonight. Here's tonight's forecast. They're saying considerable cloudiness, low 53, winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Thursday, cloudy early, then partly cloudy in the afternoon, slight chance of a shower, high 68, west winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy early, then increasing clouds with periods of showers after midnight. Low 55. Winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Here's a forecast for Erie tonight. They're saying showers early tonight, then cloudy overnight. Low 51. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. For Thursday, partly cloudy early, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 56. West winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy early, then cloudy overnight. Low 50. Winds south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For Pittsburgh, here's the forecast for you tonight. Do you have is it Operation Weather done, by the way? Yeah, okay. Here's the forecast for Pittsburgh tonight. Tonight they're saying thunderstorms during the evening will give away mostly cloudy skies after midnight. Low 57. Winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. For Thursday, mostly cloudy early, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 74. West winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy skies. Low 57. Southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Northeast, here's the forecast for them tonight. Here's the forecast for tonight for Northeast. They're saying cloudy with rain ending overnight. Low 50. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. For Thursday, mostly cloudy skies. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 56. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Thursday night, I must have hit something by accident, I'm sorry. But here's the forecast for Thursday night for Northeast. They're saying partly cloudy skies in the evening will give away partly cloudy skies overnight. Low 50. Winds south-southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And finally, here's the forecast for Linesville tonight. Here's the forecast for them tonight. They're saying thunderstorms are... No, it was saying thunderstorms early, then cloudy skies overnight. And now they're saying considerable cloudiness. Low 53. Winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Thursday, cloudy skies early, then partial clearing in the afternoon. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 65. West winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And finally, Thursday night, partly cloudy early, increasing clouds with periods of showers after midnight. Low 53. Winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%, and that's it. They just canceled that tornado watch about 20 to 30 minutes, like 30 to 40 minutes ago after the storms were pretty much over, because we had a lot of heavy downpours and a bunch of severe thunderstorms going by. Also, I just seen earlier there was a a severe thunderstorm statement was in effect for Crawford counties only until 8:30. No, until either 8:30 or 9 o'clock this evening. I seen that on there. I didn't get that, but I got at least got the tornado watches up. But the tornado watches will be in videos. Will be in two parts tomorrow. On tomorrow we'll have it here on the regular. We'll have it here tomorrow here on the regular channels. So. All right, it's getting late out here now. We've been around for on almost 11 minutes right now. So, and this is my last video of the night. So this is probably going to be it for tonight for Jeffrey's regular channel page. We're just letting the Ohio and Pennsylvania residents know that the tornado watch for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties has been canceled tonight. So that's good news to report. It's supposed to be done by 12 o'clock this evening, but the National Weather Service decided to cancel it. The National Weather Service of Cleveland decided they're going to postpone that tornado watch tonight, so we can clear out the rain and all this tonight. So clear out those showers and thunderstorms in the area for the next couple days. So we're gonna get off for the night, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. One more time, if you haven't already, subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular and Train Expert channels on YouTube. So let's get a quick shout out to Ollie Mainstein, Jeremy Haig from Tractor Head 04, Paul Ebersole from /Paul the Ralphander. Thanks for being part of on the premieres tonight, and also we'll get a quick shout out to Josh the Ralphander as well. Great to see them for being on Jeffrey the Train Expert's premiere tonight. It was a 270th subscriber special we had on today with a CSX coal train from Northeast Pennsylvania. That's where the subscriber special was at. So again, let's get a quick shout out again to Ollie Mainstein, Jeremy Haig from Tractor Head 04, Paul the Ralphander, and Josh the Ralphander. So that's all the shout outs I'm gonna get today. So thanks. So we're gonna get off for the night, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Everybody else have a good night, and we'll be back on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel for more live videos. Talk to you then. Which watch is canceled? That tornado watch was supposed to be in effect until 12 midnight this evening, but the National Weather Service saying they cancel it. Oh, they canceled the tornado watch until tomorrow. They canceled the tornado watch this evening? Yep, okay. Was it for all of Ohio and Pennsylvania counties? Yes. All of Ohio and Pennsylvania counties, yep. Was supposed to be in effect till 12 o'clock tonight. Instead, the National Weather Service decided to cancel it, so that's good news to report, right? It sure is good news to report, so. All right, we're going to get off for the night, and we'll be back. And thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. And we'll be back on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel for more live videos. Talk to you then.